How to read the Z table. So we're just going to take a quick look at a sample Z table and see how would we go about reading this. This is a cumulative Z table, and you need to make sure you're using a cumulative Z table. And if you look up top, there's always a little picture of the normal curve, and there's shaded, and you want to make sure it's shaded essentially from negative infinity up to whatever Z value you have. Now each Z table is 2 pages long. This is just the positive values. This goes from 0 to 3. There would be another page that goes from 0 to negative 3, and that would be shaded to the left of 0 because it's less than 50%. Let's just see how to read it, and essentially all Z values, we have some sample Z values up top here. All Z values are essentially 3 places, a whole number and 2 decimal places. The first 2 values, so if we're looking at this one, we're going to take a look at Z equals 1.0. 0. The first 2 values, the 1.0, are going to come from the left-hand side of the table. So I'm going to find 1.0 here. The third value in your Z value is going to come from the top of the table. So I'm going to find a 0 here, and here it is. And then I just find where they meet. And that's going to tell me essentially what the value is. So if I match that up, 1.00, I get the 1.0 here, I get the other 0 here. That's 1.00, and the probability is 0.8413. What does that mean? What that means is if your Z value was 1.0, which would be on the chart somewhere up here, then all of this to the left of it, or cumulatively from negative infinity up to that, the area under the curve would be 0.8413. Or another way of stating it, the probability of getting a Z value of 1 or less is 84.13%. So let's just do another one. Here we have a Z value of 1.05. Once again, I'll go back here, find 1.0. Now I'll go and find the 5, match them up, and here's my value, 85.31% or 0.8531. Here is Z equals 0.38 or 0.38. Same process. 0.3, the first 2 digits are going to come on the left side. The 8 is going to come from the top. I'm going to find where those match up, and I'm going to get 6480. Okay? And here is a Z value of 1.96. That's my last one. I will go down, find 1.9 on my chart. Then I will find the 6, find where they match, and I get a probability of 0.9750. That is how you read a Z chart. So once again, find the first 2 digits on the left-hand side, the third digit on the right.